Today, we're diving into the transformative role of Perlane, a premier dermal filler reshaping aesthetic medicine. Perlane is FDA approved, celebrated for its safety and effectiveness in addressing deep wrinkles and restoring facial volume, delivering natural, long-lasting results. At its core, Perlane utilizes non-animal stabilized hyaluronic acid, ensuring purity and consistency. Its larger gel particles make it perfect for deeper dermal applications, providing significant lift and volume. Injected into mid to deep dermal layers, Perlane integrates with the skin's natural hyaluronic acid, smoothing wrinkles while enhancing hydration and elasticity for a youthful glow. Developed by QMed, Perlane has undergone rigorous clinical trials, gaining EU and FDA approval. It's a trusted choice for treating moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds. Compared to other fillers, Perlane offers a thicker consistency, ideal for deeper lines and folds, particularly effective in nasolabial folds and cheek augmentation. Patients report high satisfaction, enjoying immediate improvements with minimal downtime. Results typically last 6 to 8 months, with the added benefit of supporting collagen production. Perlane's minimal side effects and reversible nature make it a safe and versatile option for a wide range of patients. Stay at the forefront of aesthetic care with Perlane. Visit IAPAM.com for more information, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates in aesthetic solutions.